Okay, so this tutorial should help you navigate the NCBI website in order to do this part of your problem set. So the link for the website is up here. If you haven't already found it, you can just Google NCBI as well. And the first thing that you want to do is go over to this drop down next to your search bar where it says all databases, and change that to genome because we're specifically interested in looking at a genome. And then you're going to type in the organism of interest, which in this case is Desulfovibrio vulgaris, and hit search. So at the top of the page here, you can see reference genome Desulfovibrio vulgaris, strain Hildenborough, which is what we're specifically looking for. So go ahead and click on that. And from here, you can just scroll down to the bottom of this page where it says genome region, again, because that's what we're interested in. And you can see that this link will take you to a complete genome. So you'll want to click on that. I have it already open in another tab here, and I'll show you why in a second. So if you just open this up, this is probably, or at least what I would guess, is probably what's causing people the most trouble, is how at the top here it says, due to the large size of this record, sequence and annotated features are not shown. So you're gonna have to go over here and use the customize view panel to change this, because this is just giving you a super abridged version of the information on this strain, and it's not gonna actually give you any of the genes, so you won't find them here. So go to custom view and just hit customize, and under basic features, click gene, RNA, and CDS features only. You don't have to click anything else. And then you'll just update the view. It can take a minute to load, however. Again, the reason they abridge it is because it's a very, it's gonna be a very big download otherwise. So you can see over in this tab, we already did it earlier, you can see how much scrolling there is. So obviously that's not very convenient, just scrolling to find the gene, but you know, you can simply search the page using the Control F function. So Control F here. As you can see, I've already typed in one of our gene names, so I'm just going to hit enter. And unfortunately it didn't, oh, there we go. So you can see up here, 1 out of 1. So we know that this is our only sulfate adenylyl transferase gene. So from here, go ahead and click on the gene ID. I'm just going to open that in a new tab. And if you look down under summary right here, you can find locus tag, which is going to appear as the letters DVU followed by a number. So it's also possible, and maybe this is what some people are trying to do, to look it up in the graphic view here. But the thing about the graphic view is that it will show the gene as SAT, which is just an abbreviation for the full name of the enzyme. So that's why it won't work if you just go down to the graphic view and click on find and search by the long name. You would have to know what the abbreviation for that gene is. So this is how you can do it without knowing. And hopefully this helps you do the rest of the problem set.